In this video, we'll show you how to get Discord Nitro for less and what options you have to save money when subscribing. The first thing we need to do is open Discord and sign into our account. Once we're inside, we'll go to the Nitro section, where we can check the different plans and prices available. Before subscribing directly, it's a good idea to check whether we have any promotions, discounts, or free trials available on our account, as Discord may offer special deals at certain times. We can also check the official promotions available for new users, or any campaigns that Discord may be running temporarily. These offers can change over time, so it's important to check the terms and conditions before activating them. Another interesting option is to compare the different Nitro plans and choose the one that actually suits our needs. If we only want a few additional features, we may not need to subscribe to the most expensive plan. If a promotion is available, make sure to check how long it lasts, what the price will be after the promotion ends, and whether the subscription will renew automatically. And that's it! As you can see, there are different official ways to save money on Discord Nitro. But the most important thing is to check the available promotions and carefully read the terms before making a payment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials.